welcome to Group 6 presentation, Pascal's Lean Adoption. I'm Sihan Zhen, and here's the detail of our group. In this presentation, I'm going to introduce the review of Lean production, then Mohammed will review the impact of Lean adoption on business environment. What's more, Marian will recommend the best strategy for TASCO organization. Finally, Dean will discuss the mitigation strategies for TASCO. First of all, let me introduce the definition of lean production, also known as lean manufacturing. Lean production is a systematic approach to minimizing waste while maximizing productivity and value. And here are four main core principles. First, eliminating waste, also called MUDA. Second, just-in-time JIT production. Third, Kaizen, continuous improvement. What's more, respect for people. Is originally developed from Toyota Production System (TPS) in the 1950s. As the timeline vividly shown, we can learn the historical background and evolution of lean production. In previous 1900s is the history of early foundation of lean. During that time, people used craft production mode. Venetian Arsenal. This place is one of the first known records for standardized manufacturing, where they put together ships in a super efficient way using modular components. Harry Ford's moving assembly lines introduced the flow production in 1913. As research, we found the limitation. A lack of flexibility because it's only work for mass production in a standard. Developed by key innovators Heikki Ono and Shijo Shingo at Toyota post-World War II. Here we come to the Toyota Production System, TPS. In 1980s, inspired by Fordisms coined by Womack Jones and Roos, refined to create a more flexible and waste-free system called turn lean production from down. Western countries started adopting. Due to successful Japanese manufacturing, lean goes global and keeps on developing in several sectors: retail, supply chain, healthcare, and public service, digitals, and the transformer from 2000 to now. The reason why lean production has developed globally, there are 5 reasons. Is lean is competitive because global companies adopt lean to stay competitive. Then economical. Lean reduce working costs by minimizing waste. Then robust. Retail supply chains, healthcare, and logistics, they all use lean for efficiency. Then cutting edge. Artificial intelligence, machine learning, automation, and transportation, they all enhance lean principles. Then is sustainable because lean helps reduce carbon footprints within the international supply chains. This advantage of lean production come with 4 drawbacks. First of all, is vulnerability to supply chains interruption because JIT system reduce inventory levels, but it also leads to high risks in emergencies. Example, the COVID-19. Second, employee stress and overwork because lean demands constructs efficiency improvements, causing pressure and burnout among employees. And the example, yes, the NHS healthcare. Third, implementation challenges. Lean adopt hinges on the strong company culture and training, and numerous companies like Firestone Tire and Rubber Company failed to sustain Kaizen due to the resistance to change. The last one, over emphasis on cost cutting. And we can just use the Tesco as the example, impacting customer service. Then switch to the Mohammed's part.
Yeah. Hi. Let's go to the introduction to Tesco. Tesco is one of the largest retailers, was founded in 1990 and is headquartered in Welwyn Garden City, Hertfordshire, led by CEO Ken Murphy since 2020. The company operates approximately 4,750 stores and employs around 345,000 people as of 2023. Tesco is publicly listed company on the London Stock Exchange under the ticker Tesco. In the financial year 2022 to 23, it reported an annual revenue of 65.8 billion and net income of 753 million, with its vast presence and strong financial performance.
Yes.
Let's quickly go to the second slide. Let's talk about the Tesco's lean adaptations. And it's eliminating waste, MUDA. Tesco reduces inefficiencies in the supply chain by cutting unnecessary inventory and process. This improves service efficiency and saves money. And when we are talking about the just-in-time JIT, Tesco uses precise ordering to ensure products arrive just when needed, reducing waste and optimizing inventory to match customer demand. And let's talk about the Kaizen continuous improvement. Employees are encouraged to suggest and implement small improvements to enhance efficiency, rate times, and boost customer satisfaction. And when we are talking about the employee involvement, strong employee feedback cultures help refine process, ensuring Tesco stays efficient and competitive. And let's talk about the next slide. How lean methods drive Tesco sustainability. Tesco integrates lean methods to enhance sustainability by optimizing inventory, reducing waste, and improving energy efficiency through JIT, just-in-time inventory, and demand matching. Tesco ensures product meeting customer needs while minimizing excessive stock. And the company also prioritize food waste and sustainable packaging initiative to lessen environmental impact. And additionally, Tesco invests in LED lighting, efficient cooling systems, and emission reduction strategies to lower energy consumptions and carbon footprint. And these lean to practices help Tesco operate more sustainably while maintaining efficiency and customer satisfaction. And let's move to the next slide. This image highlights strategies for reducing carbon footprint and enhancing sustainability in supply chain practices. Key points. The key points are like including optimizing transport routes to improve efficiency, ensuring full track loads to minimize trips, and reducing transit times, collaboration with eco-friendly suppliers, and investing in renewable energy are emphasized as crucial for sustainable sourcing. And these practices collectively aim to the streamline logistics and promote a more sustainable supply chain. And the note also mentions that the 50% increase in a related metric, possibly indicating progress or impact in these areas. Thank you. Let's move to the Mariam's part.
Thank you. I'm talking about lean adaptation and how globally Tesco has adopted some lean principles. Tesco has adopted 7 lean principles, knowing the current process, evolving staff, applying team principles, lean principles, customer focus, up-to-date technology, evaluate the works or operation, and continuous development. I will elaborate more in the next slide, each of them. Next slide. Knowing current process means that the staff know about the whole operation process in Tesco, from supply chain to distributors, and also recognize with possibility where it will exist, and it's normally arise in time, inventory, or overproduction. Also, evolving staff means how to train the staff. Staff could be trained to know the lean technologies and advantages. Having or creating a culture of progress and pursue the staff to be more proactive. Applying lean principles means apply 5S model. Constant or continuous improvement, tiny changes making perfect perfect results in long term, and GIT to make sure the customers have what they want and when and where. Customer focus is mainly focusing on customer feedback to know products and services based on their preference and attempting on actions that add value on customers. Up-to-date technology is talking about the technology, automation, utilization for more accuracy and data analysis for controlling the huge data and ability to make informed decisions. Evaluate the works, KPI, key performance indicator to analyze the lean initiatives such as time. Regular audits follow up for finding improvement chances and accuracy of lean techniques. Continuous development, again, is about feedback. Feedback is the key point of gathering information for success, adopting lean technologies according to feedback and market change. And now we want to know if there is an effect of lean on in totally for Tesco. Dominant share of more than 31% UK grocery market, more than 10% growth of global sale, which means $75 billion last year, and operating margin of 5.6. Thank you. The next slide, my colleague will.
Okay, thank you. As for the migration strategy and the problem is Tesco and how to best pass them. Please listen to me and explain below. And please next page. Now, next one. Yeah. The current line management to eliminate waste and improve process efficiency, such as Tesco JIT requirement system to reduce inventory overstock. However, excessive pursuit of efficiency may lead to the risk of quality fluctuation. For example, fresh goods with a store shelf life are easy to increase the loss rate due to time compression in the transportation links. And at this point, Six Sigma, the IK framework can provide a complement and talk about textile ice cream. Manufacturing such example is production cycle was once delayed by a range of 23.6% days. Yeah, and due to the unstable quality of current process, so the strategical to Six Sigma. The team identified current temperature fluctuation as the main source of variation and optimizing temperature control permanent, which finally shot the production cycle by 36%. This is data-driven person evaluation makes for lens qualitative analysis. Shortcomings compass system ensure the efficiency and do not come at the expense of quality, which is one Tesco mitigation method. Six Sigma, next page, please. Six Sigma emphasize possess standardization to reduce variation, but this present regions such as DMAIC may limit its bandwidth, which is retail industry can respond to standard damage. For example, when Tesco online order surge, if it is relied Solan Six Sigma long-term data modeling to adjust to supply chain, and it may not be able to respond to pick up the day in timely manner. Less of the in smaller batch. The best way to alleviate the problem is a Tesco product regional demand in real time through club card data and set dynamic prefer industry in the distribution, create a blow bladder and reduce waste, such as achievement just in time. Okay, my part is finished. That's his reference.
And here's the reference of our group. Thanks for listening, guys.
Thank
Thank
you.
you. Thank you.